I'm Melinda Coletta. This is my husband Phil Griffin. Together we're Professor Chef and we teach you how to play with your food. So tonight we're going to be making crab rangoons, which is
easy peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So go
right.
ahead.
So in this bowl here, we have crab cream cheese. That's the white stuff. We have imitation crab meat, sea legs, whatever you might want to call it. We diced it up. This is the stuff that we use in the
sushi
roll, or the California roll. Right. To that, we add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce.
So just in case you're wondering, there's absolutely nothing Asian about this dish. If you went to China,
and a pinch of salt.
They wouldn't know what you were talking about.
This is better than you would find in some places because we have a very good mixture here. There's probably 1/3 crab meat to 2/3 cream cheese. You know we would not find that.
Well, yes, there's more cream cheese.
More cream cheese
than fake crab meat. But and the cream cheese we're using is at room temperature, so it just blends a little bit easier.
Okay. Looks pretty good.
All right, I'll keep an eye on. I'll take care of it. You can talk about this.
All right, so now.
Are you good?
That's good.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is we have the wonton skins laid out. I did it a little bit ahead of time. And we need to put something on there to keep them so they bind together. So what I do is I paint them.
With what?
Water, because it's cheaper.
So it's water, and we use a silicone pastry brush.
And I go down one side, like this, and then I go back and do the middle side. So what I try to do is when I lay these out, I don't want to have to keep on making a lot of strokes. So this way I don't have to, I can do every other one. And these are a little dry because I think they weren't wrapped correctly in the freezer.
Yeah, we did get a little bit of freezer burn on them, but
they're
still fine. They're still fine. It's not like
I did the wrong roll. That's all right.
It's all right. All right, stuff them. Come on.
All right,
These
all
people
right.
are starving.
Starving. We just started. All right. So now we're gonna fill them up. You put in as much as you want. You're making them, so make them the way you want. Use my fingers. It's just easier. How's that oil coming?
It's coming, so it should be all set. We're going to be deep fat frying in canola oil. And we're looking for a temperature of 350 degrees to deep fry.
You talk to them about cold oil and hot oil. So cold oil, if you had it like at 325 or lower, when you fry it, it's going to absorb a lot of grease. There's something called a smoke point. Smoke point for canola oil is at around 400 degrees. If you leave it at 400 degrees for a period of time, it will actually, what they do is called flash. And that means that the oil will catch on fire. If you have oil that catches on fire, I think everybody should know this by now, you do not put water on it. Right? Shut off the heat source, cover it, and walk away.
And that should solve
the problem, yeah. You shouldn't have to do anything more than that.
So I know a lot of people like to cook with coconut oil. Coconut oil has a very, very low smoke point. I believe it's 325.
Go wash my hands. And is the oil ready?
Yeah, the oil is ready. So we recommend that people don't use that to cook with. Also, it's got a really high saturated fat, so not the best health-wise for you. I don't know why people think it's healthy, but...
So when you fry, you want to make sure you're putting it into a pan that's got straight sides. And we're going to fold these up by we're going to make triangles with the first couple of them. So pinch them all nice and tight together. And then we'll drop them in the oil.
So if you notice too, we don't have an awful lot of oil in that pan. And the reason we don't is because the sides are protecting us from getting burned.
Okay, it goes cooked. We have been known to make these with roasted red peppers.
Yeah, cream cheese and roasted red pepper is a great substitute if somebody's allergic to seafood or crab or just doesn't like it.
If you want to be really fancy, you wet the ends. You should make like a bishop cap. These you can make up and freeze after they're made. The problem is you gotta be careful because they're thin. They will break. I mean,
There's a question. Where do you buy the wonton wrappers?
Oh, excellent! I meant to mention that. So you will find wonton wrappers in any grocery store for the most part, like in Stop and Shop and Shaw's.
Price Right.
Hold on. At Stop and Shop and stores, they're usually found in the produce department, kind of like where they keep the tofu and bean sprouts. And we have been finding them at Price Right in Johnston. I don't think
I want to Providence too.
we have. Okay. All right.
Again, they're in with the produce aisle. They're not hard to find. And
But
of course,
these
you
are
can go to Good Fortune.
Yeah, Good Fortune is a great Asian
Grocery store.
grocery store in.
Providence.
It's on the Providence Cranston line.
And
It's 100 Cadillac Drive. It's where Herb Chambers used to be. Herb Chambers Cadillac.
we're using a Chinese spider. Pull these out.
Now, of course, if you don't have a Chinese spider, that's fine. You can just pull them out with, tongs or.
What we don't want to do is we don't overcrowd the pan. So we can put a lot of. Every time you drop in the fryer later, you are going to be cooling the oil down a little bit. So that's why you don't want to overfill it.
That's not a fry later.
Well, it's like a fryer later.
It's a fry pan.
We have a toy that we use to test the oil out. It's an infrared thermometer. And right now we're at 354, so we're doing good. All right, so while we're cooking those, you have to make a little bit of dipping sauce for these. So, dipping sauce is nothing more than a little bit of soy sauce.
So this
I need
is
rice
a
vinegar.
mushroom
Rice vinegar.
soy. Oh, rice vinegar.
Yeah. So mushroom soy, a seasoning soy. These have less sodium than like a Kikkoman's would.
Oh, I don't know if I can find it.
A splash of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil is a flavoring, it's not a cooking item.
Oh, I think I found it. Rice
And
vinegar.
I forgot the rice vinegar and a little bit of rice vinegar. And we have a dipping sauce, and if I had them, maybe some fresh chives. Those are looking pretty good. You gotta flip them a little bit. All right. So we got crab meat rangoons. We have a dipping sauce. All right. We're gonna give you a bonus item tonight. We're gonna be frying
Some plastic.
some plastic.
So aren't these pretty? They're pretty little jewels. Kind of fun. Funky colors. So I don't know if anybody's ever fried plastic before, but yeah, you want to get in there pretty. Is it in a 350?
Yeah, it's on the right time.
Okay, there you go.
There you go. So these I refer to as prawn crackers.
And back in the day, when you used to go get a poo-poo platter in a Chinese American restaurant, they would sometimes put these little chips on the bottom of the poo-poo platter dish, and then they would put the other stuff on top of it. So we buy the giant economy size because I love these things. And
The only problem is we can't read the description, so we have to look at the pictures to make sure we're getting
well,
the right
no,
things.
this box has corn through the
It
carrots.
does that, okay.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of times we have to look at the picture.
To see what we're buying. So, all right, you good?
Yeah, I think we're pretty good. All right. So guess what we have to do now?
You gotta eat them.
We gotta taste it.
All right. You can turn the heat off.
Oh, put the rest of the shut it off.
Yeah.
But also when we're frying too, never go over anywhere half full. You want to keep it lower than that. and you want tall, straight sides.
I think I alluded to that earlier.
Okay, good. All right, you gonna try one?
Yeah. I don't have the foo-foo plate. Yeah, I know, you don't like foo-foo.
So,
Alright, go ahead, that's it.
that one was broke open.
Alright, you proud of yourself?
So easy.
Yeah? Okay. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Tomorrow is... What are we doing tomorrow? Completely forgot.
Butterscotch pudding.
Butterscotch pudding. Okay. We're having dessert for dinner tomorrow night. So, see you tomorrow, live at 5. Bye.
Bye.